Hi there, good morning. Sorry, here I am with the demo. So yeah, I was working on the files Liam just shared. Though I don't have the access to edit those, so what I did, I made copies of it so that I can have access, and I just fixed the values because the values actually on the different tabs are being pulled through the supermatrix, and I can't have the access of that. So I just made up some values. These are the fixed values. So for them, so yeah, June, July, and August, all the tabs are being linked. So you just need to put all three URLs here, um, and you can add this month name so that will be reflected on the tabs here. Then there are some controls we need to pull the data on these tables. So these were the tables I was able to manage to pull the data from all the horizontal tables, like all of these. But for these, I can see some discrepancies, like if skin video views, yeah, there are some things we need to discuss. First of all, you are going to use different clients, and maybe this one is using the skin in here, maybe some other client is using some different terms. So we need to identify which are the fields you want to pull the data for. So this is the first control. You will have the drop down controls where you need to mention, okay, this is the total thing, this is the total header, and this one is total values of that total thing. And then for skin, you just need to mention something like conversion here, h is here. We can discuss this, and we can have a heading list so that we can pull accordingly. So when we will be pulling this data, we have to recognize, is this for the total things, this is for the skin conversion. I don't think so it's going to be skin, but conversion, traffic, views, these will be the headings: total, conversion, traffic, views, or maybe something else. So we can have these headings: conversion, traffic, and views, so that we can pull the data. Okay, so this was the second thing, and the headings were like not matching. Like sometimes the heading on some tables is 6 second views, and sometimes it's 6 sec views, and the headings are different. So headings should be same so that we can pull the values accordingly. Uh, yeah, this is the second control. We have to use the same headings on all the rows. For example, if you are using 6 seconds here and using 6 second views here, this should be same, and this one should be. And then comes the dynamic thing, like when you are using a different client. So I have only the Inky thing, Inky client. So I know the tables, like this one is first, second, third, and fourth. So yeah, I just managed to pull all of these here, but I have to identify, okay, this table it belongs to this heading, which is skin total. So I'm pulling this one. If I'm selecting total, so it means I'm pulling this one, these values. So this table will be generated, updated on this one. And second, for the traffic, I need to select just the traffic thing, and here I'll need to select. This will be only one time thing. All of these will be one time, like all the headings thing and all of these selections. Once all is set up, which I can pull the data, and you can see the color coding with the calculations as well. I just need to link these to the slides. That's the only part remaining. So there was some headings mismatching here as well. Like for there is a heading, yes, virtual result rate percent. So but you are using heading VRR on the slides. So those are two different. So we have to use whatever the heading we are using on this, or I think I should say that the headings on all of the tabs should be same. Like if you are using 6 seconds and like VRR, if you are using VRR, then there should not be any mismatches in between. Like if this one is VRR, I think here we have VRR. Yeah, like this view result rate. So if whenever you are using this view result rate to mention any of the values, it should be view result rate percent so that I can pull accordingly. So that's the only thing.